Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, you can take a look at the box, and you already know we're going to take a look at something by Kershaw. Of course, I mean, I like that, made in the USA, but you already knew we were going to do that. Today, we're going to take a look at the Dividend. And you know what? Without much further ado, here she is. The first thing that attracted it to me was seriously the look on the blade. I went, oh my god, I have to have one. Then I noticed the American flag on there, which means that Kershaw produced this here at home. Let me flip that over. So yeah, I had to get it, had to bring it to the channel, and man, it's a neat little piece of art. That's the only way I can say it. It's got a big price tag to it, but still, we'll get there in just a second. Now guys, like usual, inside Kershaw came their usual important information about your brand new knife. That's okay. We're going to get to all that fun stuff here in a second. Now, it's got an overall length of about 7.25 inches. The blade is about 3. Enclosed, it's about 4.25. It's got a minor weight to it, and a lot of that is because of the scales of 2.95. Seriously, you almost forget this thing is in your pocket. Now, as you can see, it's done in what they call the Warncliffe style, with a plain edge. Oh, wow, I didn't even get the grind. Okay, I wrote down plain edge twice for some reason. Now, it's got this weird dual finish to it, okay? Like the top part being kind of stonewashy, but I don't really see a lot of that. But still. Now, the blade steel itself, it's basically you can call this a San Mai, all right? The top part is a composite of the Boer, I hope I'm saying that right, B-O-H-L-E-R, Bowler, and like November 690 stainless steel and CPM D2, well, excuse me, /CPM. Wait a minute. Okay, nope, I screwed myself up. Sorry, guys. It's been one of those days, and no, I am not going to reshoot this. So basically the top part of this is a Bowler N, like November, 690 stainless steel, and the bottom is a CPM D2 composite. So basically you got, you know, the softer steel covered by the hardenable stuff, and yeah, it just makes for a really, really interesting combo here. Now it does have Kershaw's Speed Safe Open, and it works really, really well. Yeah, it just ratchets right out of there. You do have a black-coated stainless steel frame, as you can see, with a liner lock. Now, the scales are basically OD green aluminum scales. Now, I couldn't get anywhere to tell me if it was aircraft-grade aluminum or anything like that, but they just said aluminum scales. Now, you can carry this thing right-hand, left-hand carry, tip up, tip down, your choice. As you can see, the multiple positions here for the pocket clip. We do have the lanyard hole basically built in there. And yes, it is made in the USA. Alright, let's do some cut tests. Now, if you're curious why I do these 3 cut tests, take a look right up here. You're going to see a card for why I do the cut tests. As usual, heavy-duty stock paper. Oh, yeah. I mean, heck, even the tip. Alright, now, basically, let's see if we can get a curly cue. Ah, that's the angle I'm pulling. All right. The reason why I want to try to get one is anyone can just grab a blade and go, sharp. But basically, if you take it along on a certain angle and you just pull it and you go real slow, of course, well, at least the tip started. It should start to curl back in on itself, just like that. That's the kind of show that there's no micro abrasions or any problems with your blade. Now, of course, I can see some paper flakes being picked up here, but that's okay. They're not huge, they're not overbearing, and, you know, I can kind of live with that. Next up, Paracord. Alright, let's try that wonderful pull test. Yeah, I put a lot of effort into that one. I wonder if it's just a paracord because it's been inside one of those turds, that tactical rope dispenser, and it's getting flat, and maybe how I'm pulling it. I don't know. I'm going to try something different in another video. Slice test. Right through. And yes, our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. I don't know how much of a friend he is, because I keep, like, stabbing him every time I do a video, you know? But still, here we go. Whoo! Right through that thing. And as we usually do, Not seeing any real problems, flat spots, anything that really developed. I do see some papers still on the front, but still, okay. Kind of came through that, no problem. All right, now I did the homework and all the fun stuff on this thing on February 10th, 2021. I looked on Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ for all the fun stuff. On Amazon, this is going to run you $75.04, and it is Prime eligible. On Kershaw, it's $129.99, and as of February 10th, 2021, it's out of stock. Blade HQ, $79.95. Now, it's been reviewed one time on Blade HQ, got a 5 out of 5 star rating. It's been reviewed 8 times on Kershaw and got a 5 out of 5 star rating. And it's been reviewed, if I got this number exactly right, 775 times on Amazon for a 4.7 out of 5 star rating. All right, now here's the fun part of the video for me. Seriously, in all the videos that I do, this is like my most favorite moment. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything right down below. Do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I like it. For an American-made Kershaw, especially with the Sanmai steel, and especially the way that blade looks, it was something different, something interesting. So yeah, I had to bring it to the channel, had to bring it to the collection. Okay, now for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know you got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're watching this one. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me your answer right down below in the comments section? You never know how you can change the course of this channel's history. After you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there. I know. I'm being kind of needy, being kind of grabby, but all this is free, all right? You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, and one of the biggest reasons we're here for them, 2 of them will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys, my quick tabletop look at the Kershaw Dividend. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day. I hope you're having a safe day, and we'll see you in the very next video.